Hello everyone. Today we are learning three very helpful functions for Western Digital firmware repair. And these three functions are available within the DFL Western Digital firmware repair software. And we can enter the software, go to the menu, run operations, and we can find out there is one menu called bypass SA read, and the other two functions are the disable 02 and disable 411. All these three functions are designed for the undetected Western Digital hard drives. For many cases, when users connect the patient Western Digital drives to the DFL SRP or PCIe firmware repair hardware, and the patient drives are not detected, and we can confirm that the undetected failure is caused by the firmware corruption. So at this time, we can try to use the function bypass SA read, or we can use disable 02 or disable 411. For disable 02, this one is used for the old Western Digital drives, and disable 411, this is mainly used for the Western Digital SMR hard drives. Especially the PCB number starts with 8. For example, the Palmer, this is one Palmer drive, and the PCB number is 83069. So we need to use disable 411 if this patient Palmer drive is not detected, so we can try to use this one. If they are the old drives, for example, the FB9 and the PCB number is 1960, and we can try to use the disable 02. And sometimes, if both options failed for the undetected patient drives, we can try the bypass SA read. But please note that if users use bypass SA read, users need to get noders read and load into the RAM. And if the noders of the patient drive is not available, users can check the microcode here and then get noders from dollar drive with the same microcode to node. Because after bypass SA read, if the noders are not noded to the RAM, the firmware modules read and write may get problem, and users will fail to read and write the firmware modules. So users need to pay attention to these three options. They are very, very helpful for Western Digital hard drive firmware repair. Thank you for watching the video.